Guys, Mr. Bauz here. This is my first BMX check. This is my first video. You guys hopefully subscribe if you're new to the channel, which you probably are. I don't know why I asked that question. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna start with the seat. This is, what is it? A McNeil? Yeah, McNeil Alienation seat. I don't know if we... Alienation seat. Leather. That's about, how much was it? $50? Yeah. $50. Next is handlebars. This is Stolen Vortex handlebars. Pretty nice. I like them. Put on a dyno grip there. I don't know why. No, I'm doing a bike check. Oh, I want one.
I just kind of filled this up.
Okay. Okay, this is McNeil headset, I think it's called. Yeah. This is Grim Reaper.
Are you doing a vlog?
No, I'm doing a bike check.
What is that?
Okay, just let me finish it. Oh no, I forgot what this is, but it's a Stolen Vortex thing.
You know everything about your BMX, like what everything is?
Yeah, almost. I don't know. This is a Western Grim Reaper frame, black, some stickers, pretty nice. These are Stolen Vortex.
Water the grass, everyone.
These are Stolen Vortex pedals for Odyssey Gusset.
Oh, this right here.
I think they're Gusset pedals. What the heck?
This
This green chain.
Are you bringing your bike?
Yes, but just see. Odyssey wheels, pretty nice.
Yeah, you might want to move over here.
Okay, what are you doing?
The one in the grass. It's really gray over there.
A McNeil stem. Yeah. So, and then a Stolen Vortex
Oh, and your tires.
crank. See,
There you go.
that actually wrecks my tires. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed my bike check.
How does water wreck your
And
tires?
bye.